The VEVOR 20Qt dough mixer features a convenient lever adjuster that makes raising or lowering the bowl quick and easy, enhancing the overall user experience. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel, the mixer's components are not only safe, but also resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance. With an impressive 1100-watt motor and gear-driven transmission, this mixer delivers fast and even mixing across 3 adjustable speeds, catering to a variety of culinary needs. The built-in timer function allows users to set mixing durations from 0 to 30 minutes, providing convenience and precision in food preparation. Equipped with 3 versatile attachments, including a dough hook, flat beater, and wire whisk, the mixer is adaptable for a range of tasks from kneading dough to whipping cream. Its 20-quart bowl capacity makes it ideal for commercial use, accommodating large quantities of ingredients, suitable for restaurants, bakeries, and more.